Hi there everyone, welcome to Shisha Creative. Today is a Sunday and I wanted to just take my time off, relax and watch a movie. So after a long time there were new releases in Netflix, Amazon, Hotstar. So I decided to go in for the new releases in Netflix and I started watching this anthology called Navarasa. So with a lot of promising actors, I really thought I'm going to have a relaxing Sunday. And with the greatest expectation for Guitar Kambi Male Nindru, I started watching it, and after some time, I really started feeling like Electric Kambi Male Nindru. I don't know, is it just me being old school about it, or leave your comments below. So let's go into today's video. Today's video is about aquascaping for Nemo candy and it's going to be a 1-foot tank. Let's go! This time I have used a 1-foot tank. This is Amazon soil, river sand, some gravel and some rock. So these are going to be the main scaping items that I'm going to use inside this tank. The scape is going to be very simple with some grass and moss only. So let's get started. Wipe the glass well with cotton. And then I'm going to add some Amazon soil first. So I don't want the soil to be seen outside, so I'm going to use it only at the back of the tank. And moreover, there is going to be grass only on the left side of the tank, so I'm going to use more of soil on that side. I'm going to even the soil in the left side corner. Now I'm going to use river sand and cover the whole tank up to like 3 or 4 inches, and where the sand is, it would come up to like 1 inch. The left side corner will have a elevated look, so that is how I want to scape this. Once the sand is filled, even it out, and you can see very clearly that the left corner is elevated. So now I'm going to place the rock and see which one will look better. So first I thought of putting both together, but then I thought the smaller one would look better if it is farther away, because right at the back of that is where I'm going to place all the grass. So I want that to look like a grassland area, and I'm going to stick some moss on the big rock here also. Fill in some water to know exactly how the sand will settle in, and then I'm going to place the grass and the moss. Let the water get filled up. Meanwhile, let's go and select the grass and moss for this project. Now I have two type of grass varieties here. One is thinner and one is the leaves are a little more thicker than the previous one. So I'm going to place all the grass that I have in this tank. So let's see how it comes up, and I'm going to use some Riccia moss as well. So we will take in some moss and some grass for this project. Now I'm going to stop the water for now and then start sticking the moss. Handle the glue with caution while using it for the scape. And I'm going to stick both I have actually taken out the moss into 3 pieces, and I'm going to stick on either sides of this big rock. So then I'm going to place the grass at the back of the small rock. So all of the grass is going to be used there, and I also used one foxtail plant at the edge, that is right in the corner of the tank. After 2 to 3 water changes of the tank, that is for about a week or 2, I'm going to let in the fish, and the fish that is going to be inside this tank is Nemo candy. So I'm going to show you how the tank looks after like 3 weeks of the making of this tank. So here is Nemo candy happy at his home. And for the plants, I think the foxtail and the moss have grown really well. And for the grass, we have to wait for at least 3 months to say whether it has grown well or not. So I'm going to wait and give you an update after 3 months. Hope you all are liking the videos of Shisha Creative. Do leave your comments and suggestions below. Keep watching for more. Subscribe to join our fan. Bye bye.